There were two of domestic cats. They had the biggest of all spats. They found one day a big bread piece. It disrupted their mental peace. They parted the piece into two. They did not have a single clue as to who'd have the bigger piece and who'll accept the smaller piece. An ape watched from a nearby tree, thought he could get a meal for free. He went and asked about the cause. They told him what the issue was. He told them if they could agree, he'd solve the problem just for free. As they themselves could not decide, cats allowed the ape to decide. He got the pieces in his hand before the cats could understand. From bigger one he took a bite. He found that it did not seem right. So from other one he took bites. This continued for a while quite. Pieces were getting small and small. Finally he'd eaten them all. The ape then went back to his tree, sated with the meal that was free. Because of their